Hello everyone. So in this video today I am going to discuss about convert string into array of strings. Convert string into array of strings. So firstly we will create on this function func convert string to array of string. Convert string into array. String into array of string, and this is the str which is type of string, and return array of string. Okay, now firstly return array of string. Firstly this is a let strings is equal to str dot component components separated by character size. Suppose this is a comma, add on comma separate string, and otherwise is empty array. Optional, this is the empty array, and comma separated convert. Suppose this comma separated, dot separated, and converted. Okay, now convert on this, apply on this map function. Let string map is equal to strings dot map, and adding, suppose this is the adding and no string 1 string 2 string, and apply on this string interpolation $0 count on this $0. So return string map. Okay, now add on this $0. Suppose let str is equal to string s string is equal to, suppose this comma separated string is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and let array of is equal to convert string into s string, print array of. Okay, now print, and this is a one strings convert into array of strings, convert into comma separated array of strings. Now I do, this is the convert of array of string, and percentage array of string map is included on this array of string, and add on this string actual each by string add. So thank you for watching this video, and now subscribe my channel.